Moving over to the charts though, looking at the S&Ps, you can see that momentum bullish, RSI still above the 50 line. We managed to hold above it. Interesting, we're right at the top of this kind of pattern. Again, still very much a bearish structure with this downtrend here. We're above the 21. Are we going to get to that 55? Is that where we're going to culminate? That would take you all the way to the 564.95 area. Is this going to be the peak here before we pull back to the trend line down here? That would be interesting. Let's go ahead and extend that out. That would give you a target closer to the 528 area. Pull back maybe to the SMA, maybe hold some structure in there, but this is a short-term rising wedge. You can see it here on the hourly chart. Not great. Usually these are bearish patterns, even if you do get another push, maybe even as high as this, like I said, 566, somewhere in here. If you get that last push, I would expect that to pull back into this structure here. Right now, so far, we have held up really, really well, but I do think this is going to fail eventually. Do we hold the higher low? Certainly a possibility. Like I said, this trend structure in here, 523, 524, somewhere in there. Highly traded zone says we could hold in there, but eventually I do expect this to fail and then look for that setup for the potential continuation. If this breaks, that's going to be pretty terrible for markets.